I have one shot at this, one viral video. If it flops, I fail. But if it blows up, I could make $10,000.
This is my challenge. I'm trying dropshipping, but I can only use a single video to make sale. No paid ads, no extra organic posts, just one shot.
Will this work, or am I about to waste my time? Let's find out. Here's the plan. I need to find a product, make a store, and create a video so good that it has to go viral. If I fail, I lose everything. But if I pull this off, I'll prove that dropshipping can still work in 2025 without spending a single dime on ads. I have 3 days to make this happen. Alright, so day 1, first things first, I need a product that has a high chance of going viral. But here's the catch, it can't just be any trending product. It needs to be something that people will want to share.
Alright, so before we just pick a random product, let's break down what actually makes a product go viral. Because if we get this part wrong, the whole challenge is over before it even starts.
There's 5 things that I always look for in a winning product, and I'll list them on the screen right now. Firstly, the product must be scroll stopping, and it needs to grab attention instantly. Second, it must be problem solving or entertaining. It should make life easier or just be fun to watch. Third, I want the product to be at an impulse buy price, meaning under $50 so people just buy without thinking too much. Fourth, the wow factor. Of course, it has to make people say, I need this. And finally, fifth, the existing demand. If similar products have gone viral, that's a good sign.
Now, let's actually find a product that fits all of these criteria. Unlike your typical dropshipping guru, I'm not gonna find my product on TikTok. I'll actually start by scrolling through Kalo Data, which is my favorite website for finding winning products. So here we are, let's find my product. This supplement is interesting, but I think it's way too expensive. And these jeans are also cool, but I don't think they will go viral fast enough. Wait, this could actually work. This 3-in-1 sink drain, it made $174,000 in the last 30 days, and it's also recently been trending. It's also weird, attention grabbing, and I think it checks all the boxes, so let's test it. But you might be wondering, why did I choose this product? Well, first of all, these 3-in-1 sink drains have been blowing up recently. People love them because they solve an actual problem, which is clogged sinks and messy kitchens.
And the best part, they have that wow factor. It's a sink strainer, a stopper, and a hair catcher all in one. So when people see it in action, it makes them go, wait, I need this.
And on top of that, the margins are actually solid. I can source this for around $6 and sell it for $20, which means I'll be making around $14 profit per sale. Now, I just need to make sure that my store is good enough to convert that traffic into actual sales. So let's build it. The store needs to be perfect. A viral video means nothing if my website looks sketchy. So I just took like 15 minutes to put together this website. Honestly, I could make it way better, but for the sake of this video, this is what we have so far. I picked X as the name for the website and the domain, and this is the logo right here, which I put together on Canva, as you can see. But yeah, this is the homepage, and if we click over to X, we will now be redirected to the product page, and I think this product page looks really clean, especially for a brand new product like this. So yeah, I think we're good to go with the website. Now that the website is done, time to make the viral video.
This is the most important part. If my video doesn't go viral, I fail. I'm gonna try to make it fast-paced and super engaging. And of course, for this video, we're completely staying away from paid ads because honestly, they're just too expensive and they're too competitive nowadays. This is going to be all organic, so let's get to it, and I'm gonna need to be really creative.
So this product has a lot of videos on it, but I just think they're a little bit too boring. I'm gonna find every video that's ever been made on this product, and then I'll use all of them to create a masterpiece, a single video on this product that has to go viral. So let's get to work.
Alright boys, the video is all done and ready. I unfortunately can't show it on YouTube because I'll probably get copyrighted. So anyways, let's post it and pray that it takes off.
It's been 24 hours. Let's check the analytics. Oh no, this is not good. We have $0 in sales and the video's got like 60 views on YouTube Shorts. Not what I expected, but maybe it just needs more time. I believe in this video, boys. Let's do this. I guess I'll just kind of wait it out and see what happens because I think it's got potential for sure. Anyways, I'll see you guys whenever I have an update.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of slacked off and let this video sit for a month. And something insane happened with literally the one video. Check this out. $12,673 in sales in the last month. Bro, what? We actually did it. I don't know if you can see it, but this actually worked. One viral video, and not $10,000, but $12,000. I mean, granted, probably only like $8,000 of it is actual profit, but that's still insane. And the video on YouTube Shorts is just under 2 million views. But now I'm wondering, can I do it again, or did I get lucky? Should I go bigger? Maybe $100,000 next? I don't know, maybe that's a little bit far-fetched from just one video. But do let me know in the comments if you want to see that. By the way, make sure you check out Platinum Ecom with the link in the description. It's a business I started where I literally handle all of the dropshipping work for you. I'll make you a full Shopify store, give you winning products, and even give you the ads or the video creatives for those products. So you'll be pretty much set and ready to start running and scaling your business with almost no effort required. And finally, watch this next video here where I dropped 7 years of dropshipping knowledge in just 7 minutes. And that's all. I'll catch you guys in the next one.